This is an existing installed metal structured media center from Leviton. We plan to put Wi-Fi inside of this box, and the metal box does cause some problems with signal in the Wi-Fi installations if we were to put it inside as is. What we're going to do is change this door out for a plastic Wi-Fi RF transparent door and trim ring in exchange for this door here. And that will give us a huge improvement in RF transparency. To change the door, we're going to open it up, remove the lower two screws completely. We're going to hang on to these, we'll be reusing these. Loosen these top two screws about 3/8 of an inch. Then lift the door and frame off of the screws. Set it aside. Going to assemble the trim ring. Push the two ends together. It doesn't matter which way you put it. They're both the same until they click. Take the trim ring either way, mount it over the existing screws that we left in place. Take the bottom two screws and drive them back into the box till they're just snug. Don't need to make them very tight. Then tighten up the top two screws. Then we take our plastic door. This door can be hinged on the left or the right side. We're going to hinge it on the left side here. Press it into the hinges. And that's it.